Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost someone else's Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, we have to be tagged or mentioned in someone else's Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification in our Instagram direct message. So first of all, we can go to our Instagram direct message. Then as you can see that this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We just need to click on it and then click on add to your story to repost the story. Okay, and just wait for a moment, it's still loading. Okay, and before you upload the story to your Instagram, you can edit the story. You can add text, a sticker, or music. It's up to you. Then you can also tap on the image like this to get the full screen. And after you're done editing the story, you can click on your story to share this Instagram story to your account. Okay, and I'm going to check it. Alright, and now the Instagram story is being posted, as you can see, and it's still loading. You just need to wait until the uploading process complete. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost someone else's Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.